Imagine losing your hard-earned money to a scammer on a messaging app. Sounds terrifying, right? Stay tuned to learn how to protect yourself from the latest wave of Forex scams on Telegram. Welcome to the world of Forex trading, where the promise of quick riches has given rise to a new breed of scammers. Telegram, with its encrypted nature, has become a haven for these fraudsters, allowing them to operate anonymously. These scammers infiltrate Telegram groups, posing as Forex experts, mentors, or signal providers to lure unsuspecting investors. One common scam involves Forex signals groups, where scammers share exclusive signals, claiming they will lead to huge profits. In reality, these signals are often manipulated, benefiting the scammers while leaving members with losses. Another prevalent scam is the investment group, promising high returns on investments made through the group. Scammers may charge fees for their so-called expertise or exclusive investment opportunities, preying on the trust of their victims. Pump and dump schemes are another tactic, where scammers artificially inflate the price of a currency pair and then sell it at a high, leaving investors with worthless assets. Fake trading bots are also promoted, promising effortless profits but often designed to lose money intentionally. High-yield investment programs, HYIPs, promise exceptionally high returns in a short period, creating an illusion of profitability until they collapse. Scammers use social engineering techniques, posing as experienced traders and showcasing fake testimonials to gain trust. They provide misleading trading information, encouraging trades that benefit them while causing losses for the victims. To avoid falling victim, watch out for red flags like guarantees of profit, pressure to act quickly, and limited information or transparency. Always research and verify the legitimacy of any trading group, signal provider, or investment opportunity. Diversify your investments across different assets, strategies, and platforms to minimize risk. Report any suspicious activity to Telegram and relevant authorities to help protect others from falling victim. Educate yourself about Forex trading, risk management, and market analysis to better identify scams. Stick to well-known and reputable trading platforms with a proven track record of transparency and security. Maintain realistic expectations, as Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme and requires time, effort, and patience. Stay vigilant and informed to protect yourself from the ever-evolving tactics of Forex scammers on Telegram. Remember, knowledge is your best defense.